Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the delivery address on Amazon. Here are the steps to take to change your delivery address on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account by opening your browser and going to amazon.com. In the website, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Now, once you're logged in, it takes you to this fantastic homepage where you have a couple of options that you can definitely choose from. Now, from this homepage, hover over to the account and list menu at the top right corner of the page. And this presents you with a drop down with a couple of options, including account, others, keep shipping for, recommendations, browsing history, recalls, and watch list all the way down to sign up. Go ahead and click on account, and once you click on account, that opens you up to the accounts page. Over here you have others, your orders, login and security, prime, your addresses, your business accounts, gift cards. Go ahead and click on your addresses, and that's going to open you up here. So all you need to do to change the delivery address, go ahead and click on add address. So we have addresses in here. So click on add address and follow up with the information in here. That's fill out the form. And once you fill out the form in here, go ahead and click on add address to add a new delivery address. But then if you want to edit an existing address, go ahead and click on the edit button right next to the address you want to modify. Now, once you click on that, it takes you to the form again. And now it says this address is used residential. Okay. So you can set at a different residential address for your digital purchases. Okay, that's cool. Click on OK and you follow through with the process again. And that's it. Or you can just head over here where you have another address. And as you can see, so you can edit this too from here. That's if you want to edit an existing address. Now, for a new address, fill in your delivery details such as name, streets, which we did there, street address, city, state or province, postal code, and phone number. And if editing, update the required fields as necessary. Now, once you've added or updated your address, go ahead and click on what's there. So let's say, for example, we are editing, and as we edit, after that, click on save changes. And once you click on save changes, that is going to be it. Or you head over to creating a new address, and after filling out the form, go ahead and click on add address. Now, after completing these steps, your delivery address will be updated or added for future purchases on Amazon. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.